Hello everyone, I am Ashim Sher. Now I will start next portion of the sphere, that is exercise 12. Now question number 15a, that is MCQ question. First question is the radius of a sphere is given 2r units. Radius of the sphere is 2r units. Find its volume. So formula of the volume is 4 by 3 pi radius cube. Radius cube is 2r whole cube, that is 8r cube. This is equal to 32 pi r cube by 3 cubic units. The question number 2, second question, the volumes of two different sphere, the ratio of the volumes of two different sphere is given, that is 1:8. Find the ratio of the curved surface areas of these two sphere. So here volume, ratio of the volume, that is V1 is to V2 equals to 1:8. Volume V1 equals to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube and V2 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. This equals to 1 by 8. So 4 by 3 pi will be eliminated. So r1 by r2 whole cube, this equals to 1 by 2 whole cube. r1 by r2 equals to 1 by 2. So ratio of the curved surface area A1 is to A2. This equals to curved surface area. Formula of the curved surface area, that is 4 pi into radius square. So radius of the first sphere, that is R1. So 4 pi R1 square by 4 pi R2 square. 4 pi will be eliminated. R1 by R2 whole square. This equals to 1 by 2 whole square. That is 1 by 4. This equals to 1:4. Clear? And question number 4 similar as the question number 2, similar as this question. Here a ratio of the curved surface area is given. Find the ratio of the volume. Okay. Next question number 5. Question number 5 is the numerical value of volumes, 3 times of volumes of a sphere, and the curved surface area is given. That is 3 times of its volume. That means 3 into volume equals to curved surface area. 3 into formula of the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube and curved surface area is 4 pi r square. Okay. So here 3 will be eliminated, and 4 pi both sides will be eliminated, 4 pi. So small r cube equals to small r square, and small r cube equals to, you can write r into r square. This equals to r square. Both sides r square will be eliminated. So r equals to 1. So radius will be 1 unit. Next, true false. Question number B1. Here given the radius of a sphere is r units and its volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. If radius increased 2 times of the previous radius, then radius will be 2r and volume will be 4 by 3 pi radius cube, that is 2r whole cube. So this equals to 4 by 3 pi into 8r cube. If we take 8, so 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the previous volume of the sphere. So that is 8 into previous volume. So this is 8 times of the previous volume. But the statement is given 2 times of the previous volume. So this statement is false. Next question number C. 1. The name of the solid which is composed of only one surface. Everyone know that one surface solid figure is sphere. Only one surface solid figure is sphere. The number of surface of a solid hemisphere, the hemisphere is solid, so its number of surface will be 2, because one is curved surface and another is plane surface. So number of surface are 2. Next, question number 16. Question number 1. The 16, yes, the 16 question number 16 given a solid hemisphere whose volume, numerical value of the volume equals to total surface area. So volume of the solid hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and total surface area of solid hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. Okay. Total surface means curved surface plus plane surface. Curved surface is 2 pi r square and plane surface area is pi r square. So this is 3 pi r square. From here both sides pi will be eliminated, and this r cube equals to, you can write r into r square. So both sides r square will be eliminated. So 2r by 3 equal to 3, 2r equals to 9, r equals to 9 by 2, that is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, a solid sphere and a cylinder given, and also given these two curved surface areas are equal, and given radius of cylinder is 6 semi and height is 12 semi. So its curved surface area equals to 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh is the formula of curved surface area of a cylinder. So 2 pi r is 6 and h is 12 square centimeter, and curved surface area of the sphere, solid sphere, is 4 pi r square. So by the problem, 4 pi r square equals to 2 pi into 6 into 12. So from here value of the r is 6 centimeter. So radius of the solid sphere will be 6 centimeter. And the question number 4. Question number 4 is solid sphere. Let radius of the solid sphere is r units, and its curved surface area is s. S equals to 4 pi r square. Its volume is v. V equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Find the value of s cube by v square. So finding the value s cube by v square, we putting the value s from here. S is 4 pi r square. So that is 4 pi r square whole cube. This is s cube, and v square. V is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and v square is 4 by 3 pi r cube whole square. So from here calculate, and the value will be 36 pi. Clear? 36 pi. Next, see question number 16.5, similar as this type of question. The homework will be question number 15 all and question number 16 all. Please try to solve all question of exercise 12 and submit it. Thank you.